So it's the Dad Bod Guy, 1/4 of the Ride Squad, and welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona. So today was a travel day, didn't do too much. We got out here, well I got out here, but kind of we because I'm part of a crew. Got out here a little bit earlier. We kind of had like the group team meeting and now we're ready for bed. I'm kind of just ironing all my clothes, hanging them up, getting everything ready for tomorrow. What am I doing out here? So I didn't get a chance to show y'all last year, but I drive for Toyota at the Jackson event. It's a little bit different of a gig though. It's like all day driving. We're doing hot laps, kind of grip drift type thing in new Supras. So I get to spend outrageous hours in a Supra, beating it to within 1/4 of its life, but having some mechanical sympathy of it. It is a little bit late, obviously, but I just kind of want to show y'all what's going on. I know in all my videos y'all think I'm always wearing the same shit, but I've honestly got like probably 15 pairs of Dickies and Carhartts and other shit, countless black t-shirts. I'm just ironing all my shit, getting it ready, getting it out the duffel bag, getting all the wrinkles out of it, because this is kind of like a corporate gig, so I gotta have my shit together, looking clean. I did have that shave a little bit, but I ain't taking a year and a mean off, you know what I'm talking about. But pretty much just got done ironing, letting the iron cool down. Kind of gonna put up this ironing board, clean my space up and go to sleep. But I do got, like what I'm filming on right now is an Insta360 Go 2. I do have an Insta360 Go 3. And if you do want to get like some Insta360 stuff, make sure you hit my affiliate code. I do have an affiliate code. Get you some goodies when you check out with your Insta360 purchase on the website. Other than that, I'm going to get some sleep and I'll see you guys in the morning. There's no variation really in colors this year. We got Portimao Blue and Galaxy Grigio. Majority of the cars are manual. We got like 2 autos.
I get the back one. Check this out, Sean. A manual transmission with a black interior. Yeah.
The other one is too, yeah. Manuals, baby.
Right, I've driven a Supra now. Okay.
Oh, you never driven one?
I never. Listen for the typical failure points on these cars. So the diff carrier bushings and the center support on the drive shaft. That's pretty much it.
All right, setup day's over with. Technically one of the longer days of this program because we got to get the car set up. We got to get the track set up. We got to get what we call the front of house, the place where everybody walks through, signs up, and gets ready for the thrill ride. We got to get all that set up. So essentially, this is supposed to be the longest day because we got to be ready to rock and go at 8 a.m. Matter of fact, long before that, we got to be ready to go. So it's been a long day and about to blind myself. I'm turning it in. It's over with. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning.
Figure this out.
Top of the morning, we outside shaking and moving, warming cars up. Today is rehearse day. Yesterday was set up.
Adam, yeah, I got a copy. On radio, I'm in that car right now. It's gonna go wake up the flex here.
We're gonna just, yep. We do dry runs, yep, cool. These motherfuckers is packed.
That looked really good.
What's up? There you go.
Okay. I got you covered. Yep. All right, how you doing?
What's up, man?
All right, let's go for a ride. Here we go.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get to ride with you, man. Time right there.
Here we go. That's rehearsal and everything. We did practice the first day with setup. We did rehearsal. What rehearsal was for our loaders to kind of get the process of pulling people out of the car, putting them in the car, and us running around and just giving the other side a ride. The other side is the dirt team. We got two different teams, dirt side, asphalt side. We're asphalt, they're dirt. They come over, we give them our run through. They go back on their side, we go over there, they give us their run through. So eventually, we should have all of the kinks worked out. So as soon as everything opens, we're like rocking. We're on our shit. The process is had, and we get through everything without a hitch. Anyway, a long day ahead tomorrow. Because tomorrow we get it cracking at 8 a.m. and we do not stop until we get the last person through the line, or until 5:30 or 6 o'clock, something like that. So we up out of here. I'm laying it down. We about to get to this track in the morning. Straight to the action. All right. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Awesome, you're excited.
We're good. Wait. Oh, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we won't start until we get there. All right, you do roller coasters?
Oh my gosh, dude. Go as fast as you want. I'm gonna videotape this.
Okay, you said so.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Video?
Yeah.
Video?
Yes, ma'am.
Dang.
Yeah, this year we've got majority or manual.
seatbelts on your right. Sweet, thank you much.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? Day
Not
one,
bad.
baby.
Day one,
Day
yeah.
one, baby.
All right, we get this Hellcat some room, you know,
Yeah.
all that horsepower.
It's probably going to break at some point anyway. Gives us some space.
Absolutely. Better than morning coffee, right?
Oh shit. I'm not too damn tired by the end of the day though. It's a workout, right?
It is.
Tired
It's
by the
pretty
end of
good.
the day.
We stay hydrated and we make sure that we're ready to rock, man. I mean, but see, like these are 100% stock cars, so these seats, everything, it's actually, yeah, exactly, it's actually comfortable. So I don't mind doing this, kind of like a drive to LA.
Right.
We're driving all day, even though we're driving all day, we're in comfort, so it's not bad. All right, man, thank you.
You have a good day, like
Will
I said. Stay hydrated, it's gonna be a long one.
Will do, man, thank you. Have a great one.
You too. All right, brother. How's that? Awesome.
All right, clicked in. You ready for a ride?
Yeah.
Have you ridden with us before?
Yes, sir. Every year.
Awesome, I love to hear
I
that.
love it.
Well, let's keep it consistent and exciting, all right?
Nicely done. That was good. Step above last year.
Oh, yeah? Did you ride in the manual last year?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Good deal, man.
Nice. Yeah.
I like that.
Yo, you get kudos. Last year I was like, okay, that was pretty good. Like that first corner was nice.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a change up on the first corner, but I think it's still exciting, right?
Oh shoot, yeah. No better than the Dodge guys.
Oh, there we
We're
go.
watching them and they're like, no, look at how those guys take that corner, this corner.
There we go. I love to hear that. Howdy.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, it's going great. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Have you ridden any Supras before?
Yeah, this is my third year.
Oh, I love it.
Best part of them, Bear Jackson. We always look forward to this.
Well, let's keep a consistent, exciting experience. It was good stuff, huh? So did we do good 3 years in a row?
I think this is the best, man.
Awesome,
Hell yeah.
man. I appreciate you enjoying what we do.
Hell yeah. Watch your head. The seatbelt's gonna be on your right.
Good morning, man.
Good
How
morning.
are you?
I'm glad I got you. You're the best driver.
Oh, man. Well, I intend to give you the best ride, man.
I
All right.
had this car, I got it in 22,
Oh, yeah?
and it was such a good car, but it was my daily, it was a little too small for me. And then I traded in for a Z06 and crashed it about 5 months ago. So
Well, come on back to the Supra
yeah, I know.
side.
A little bit more manageable. Yes, I missed this. I missed it. Hell yeah.
There we
Awesome.
go.
They didn't have the manual option when I first got it. So
Yeah. So you did
I was
ride the
like-
manual, okay?
No, I did not ride.
No, but this, yeah, you did.
Yeah.
And then our other two blue ones are auto.
Oh,
So you got the lucky
perfect.
one, yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, because I wanted to drive this in a manual. This looks so fun.
Oh, yeah, the gears are a lot longer. So in the autos, you would probably be right about to click third.
Got
That's
it.
where we are.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, man. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Great. All right, clicked in. Here we go. Yeah, it is. All right, here we go. Let's start the excitement. There we go. All right, end of day one, an incredibly grueling day. The way my schedule lines up is at the end of everything, when Dodge puts their cars up, we bring more cars out. They close up shop at 5, so at 5 we run 5 cars. So we're running 5 cars, going crazy, and it's just non-stop. Back to back to back to back to back runs, uninhibited by Dodge. The reason we do it is to get more customers in and clear the queue faster. So quite a task. I mean, enough driving that my feet, like my heels and my knees hurt by just leaning up against center console and resting on the damn floorboard. But day one is done. This carpet is destroyed. Usually we would get about 3 days out of this carpet. This carpet is donezo. Day one done. 8 more to go. 8 more to go.